Hello everyone, welcome to the video series on ESI Pharmacist Exam preparation. In this video, I will explain about 2019 ESI questions with answer explanation. Look at the question first. Question number 1. The protein DNA complex in higher organism is called. Options given are transferrin, chromatin, interferon, dystrophin. Now let us understand this one. When you read microbiology, in the microbiology, when you read about bacterial DNA, we read it as naked DNA. That means in bacteria you have only DNA without any surrounding proteins. In case of higher organisms, DNA is combined with proteins surroundings. It is called as chromatin. So the combination of a protein and DNA is known as chromatin. So this is what makes up chromosome. So the chromosome contains the functional unit as chromatin. Chromatin is a combination of a protein and DNA. In detail, the protein is histone protein. Histone protein is a basic protein which is made up of lysine and arginine amino acids. Both of them, lysine and arginine, are basic amino acids. Because they are basic, they have a positive charge. What do you have in DNA? DNA has got nitrogen bases which contains lone pair of electrons and negative charge, and phosphates with a negative charge. So the negatively charged DNA will binds closely with positively charged these proteins. Hence you get a compact chromosome. So the answer is chromatin. Let us look at the other options. Transferrin is a plasma protein which transfers iron in the form of ferrous. It transfers iron to spleen, bone marrow and liver. That's why it has got the name transferrin, a transport protein of iron. Interferon interferes with viral metabolism. Hence they are called as interferon. You have interferon alpha, beta, gamma are there. Dystrophin. You might have heard about a disease called as muscular dystrophy. When muscles undergo contraction and relaxation, the membrane may undergo certain instability that results in muscular dystrophy. To protect from this dystrophy, there is a protein is there called as dystrophin. The job of this dystrophin is it maintains muscle membrane integrity and avoids membrane muscular dystrophy. So this is about the answers. Now let us look at the next question. A naturally occurring sympatholytic is. Options given are strychnine, morphine, reserpine, quinine. Now strychnus naxovomica, it gives two chemicals, strychnine and brucine. Strychnine causes CNS excitation. It inhibits glycine, which is an inhibitory neurotransmitter. When inhibitory neurotransmitter is inhibited, CNS excitation occurs that may result in epilepsy or convulsions. But it is not a sympatholytic, so it is not the answer. Morphine again an alkaloid which causes which increases pain threshold, acting on mu kappa delta receptors. It is a narcotic analgesic. It is not a sympatholytic. Reserpine, which is obtained from Rauwolfia serpentina, it causes sympatholytic activity. How does it do? See, whatever the noradrenaline is inside, it is stored inside a vesicle in the neuron. Reserpine gets into that vesicle and substitutes norepinephrine or noradrenaline. What happens is, when reserpine gets into the vesicle, noradrenaline comes out of the vesicle and gets metabolized. So it is causing the depletion of noradrenaline, hence it acts as sympatholytic. So answer for this question is reserpine. Quinine, it is obtained from cinchona alkaloid which is used to treat malaria. Now the next question. Which of the following is antithyroid drug? Options given are methimazole, levothyroxine, tolozamide, chlorpropamide. Now see, propylthiouracil, carbimazole, methimazole are antithyroid drugs. They inhibit the synthesis of thyroid. So the option for this question is option 1. Methimazole is antithyroid drug. Levothyroxine is a synthetic thyroid hormone which is used to treat hypothyroidism, whereas methimazole is used to treat hyperthyroidism. Now tolozamide, chlorpropamide are sulfonyl urea derivatives of oral hypoglycemics. Orally taken drugs which will reduce the glucose levels in the blood, oral hypoglycemics. So antithyroid drug is methimazole. Now the last question. The capacity of a drug to cause fetal abnormalities is termed as teratogenicity. Teratogenic drugs, they cause fetal abnormalities. Mutagenicity means a functional change in DNA is called as mutation. An agent which is causing mutation is called as mutagenic agent. Pathogenicity means any pathogen which is causing infection is called as pathogenicity. The ability to cause infection is pathogenicity. Carcinogenicity means an agent which will cause cancer. It's called as carcinogenic agent, carcinogenicity. So these are all the questions from 2019 ESI papers. I hope this video is useful. All the best.